not having 75% criteria as your base criteria and want a very good college so that it can uplift your career. We have included those colleges in this video which have a good track record. Today, the colleges from West Bengal and Jharkhand we will be covering, and we will be covering through which you can get those colleges. So without wasting any further time, let's deep dive into this. Talking about best colleges in West Bengal and not talking about Jadavpur University is a sure shot crime. So we have covered the best colleges through which you can uplift your career. At the top, we have covered Jadavpur University, which will be demanding a bare minimum 60% of criteria to get admission in that college. It will be accepting WBJEE as a sole exam, and through WBJEE counseling, you can get admission through it. Talking about the management quota, if anyone seeks to you, like they will be letting you get admission in Jadavpur University through management quota, please don't fall in those frauds. Jadavpur University don't have any management quota and all. They will be taking your money and you will be in a trap for sure. Next, coming Calcutta University, this bare minimum boards percentage for this college is 50%, and in this college you can get admission through WBJEE exam as well as JEE mains exam. So if you have given both the exam, it's a very good option for you to choose through which you can apply. WBJEE counseling will be having both JEE mains and WBJEE exam as their criteria for Calcutta University. Next, coming to Kalyani Government Engineering College. This will only be having WBJEE as your sole exam, and to be exact, you will only get admission in this college through WBJEE, and you should be a domicile of West Bengal. Other state candidate can't apply to this college, and the bare minimum boards percent criteria for this college is 50%. Next, we will be covering Techno India, that is the Salt Lake campus we are talking about. Heritage Institute of Technology. They have a bare minimum criteria of 50% of marks, and you can get easily admission through WBJEE and JEE mains. In these colleges, you can get admission through any state if you belong to. So, state is not the criteria over these colleges. The Techno India Salt Lake campus, if you are talking, and Heritage Institute, these are the best colleges of Kolkata, and to be exact, West Bengal. Be it WBJEE exam result, be it JEE mains result, be it through management quota. Yeah, these colleges do accept management quota, and 10 to 15% of seats are reserved for those. If you don't have a decent WBJEE rank, if you don't have a decent JEE mains rank, you can apply through management quota, and the fees are very less. So you can consider these colleges, and the return on investment what you are getting will be very good. So a number will be flashing out. Please do contact, and we will be helping you in getting the best college in West Bengal through any direct admission process. So please do contact if you have a low WBJEE rank or low JEE mains rank. Next, IIM Kolkata. It will be accepting 45% as the bare minimum criteria, and through this is also a top college, and you can get this. This is a private college, and you can get this college through WBJEE and JEE mains exam. They will be conducting separate counseling, WBJEE counseling for JEE mains candidate and for WBJEE candidates. So be well prepared for that. IIM is a very good college, and here also you can get admission through management quota. If you want any information through management quota, how you will be getting those colleges, please do consider calling, WhatsApp calling this number which is flashing out in your screen. Next, we will be covering those two colleges which are having a decent return on investment and a very good campus. They are improving day by day. One is Haldia Institute of Technology, situated in Haldia, and next is Narula Institute of Technology. Don't just confuse with NIT, National Institute of Technology. It's Narula Institute of Technology. They are accepting a bare minimum of 50% of criteria, and in these colleges also you can get admission through WBJEE, JEE mains and management quota. For any information regarding management quota, please do consider making a WhatsApp call or a WhatsApp message to this number flashing out on your screen. Now let's do cover the colleges from Jharkhand which many YouTubers do refrain from covering. Be it BIT Sindri, be it GEC Palamo, which is the new addition to the state government colleges. They will be accepting bare minimum 45% criteria as the base criteria for boards, and you will be getting admission solely through JCECB counseling, which is the state counseling being conducted by the Jharkhand government. And there they will be using your JEE mains rank. If you are having a decent JEE mains rank and don't have a best like criteria of 75%, you can consider these colleges if you are from Jharkhand state. BIT Sindri, it is situated in Sindri, Dhanbad, and GC Palamu, it is situated in Palamu. This is a new addition to the state government, as I have mentioned earlier. Next, that is BIT Misra. In this college, you can also get admission at lower criteria of boards, that is 60%. In this college, they will be conducting a separate counseling for OBC students of Jharkhand, and they will be accepting those students from Jharkhand only. Okay, so you can consider this college. You can consider the off campuses as well, like be it Deoghar, be it Patna, be it Jaipur. You can consider those. Deoghar is a decent one, and the fun fact is you will get placement in the BIT Misra campus only. That is the Ranchi campus, main campus I am talking about. So you can consider these colleges as well. But do consider these colleges till ECE branch only. Don't go for other branches like mechanical, civil. You will get a very like BT, bad trip you can get because they will be accepting a very high amount, like 19 to 20 lakh throughout the course. That is a 4-year, and please do refrain from taking the lower branches in BIT Misra. Be it any campus, be it the Ranchi campus, be it the Deoghar campus, be it Patna campus, be it Jaipur campus. So that's all from this video. I hope I have got you covered the colleges which are not accepting 75% criteria. They are accepting a bit less criteria as a base criteria for their admission, and through which counseling and through which exam you can get, I have got you covered. I hope this video has helped you all, and if it has helped you, please do consider subscribing to the channel and do give it a thumbs up. It takes hell lot of effort in creating these videos. Next upcoming video will be any other state, so stay tuned and Radhe Radhe.